everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner and an NLP master practitioner. This looks so weird what I'm holding up right now. It's my yogurt. Okay, so you just saw my updated morning routine, only a fraction of it though. If you guys haven't seen my last video, you will see my full morning routine, my confidence building morning routine. Something that I recently incorporated into my morning routine is eating fruit. I know that sounds so weird coming from a girl who's posted 2 videos about the carnivore diet. That's the cool thing about everything that I talk about, is that I'm not married to any specific diet, and you don't have to be either. Just because I eat carnivore one day, that doesn't mean that I can't experiment with other things if I believe that they're going to benefit my health. So I usually do all of my workouts fasted, and I do them in the morning within the first 2 hours of waking up. I did try eating something protein rich before my workout, but I still didn't really have like the energy and stamina that I was looking for. So I'm starting to introduce a very small amount of like a low glycemic fruit like berries in just about 30 to 45 minutes before my workout to give me some extra energy. I'm loving the results. It definitely does give me more energy in the gym. It doesn't make me bloated whatsoever, but fruit and berries in particular are very easy to digest. I've been really enjoying this, and it's summer, so fruit is nice to eat in the summer. Today we're going to be talking about a scarcity versus abundance mindset when it comes to food. And I think this fits in quite nicely. If you have a scarcity mindset around food, that usually indicates that you are on some sort of diet. So I could have easily had a scarcity carnivore mindset. I could have only been limited to my animal products, but I know in my heart that there are an abundance of foods that could potentially work for me. So I wasn't scared to branch out. I wasn't scared to break the carnivore diet. I'm not any of those things. I'm just Kara experimenting with foods that I want to eat. So it took an abundance mindset for me to break free from, oh, I'm carnivore, I can't eat this, and really live in this abundance mindset of there are more options. All things are potentially a possibility for me. If you go into this, if you decide one day you want to break your carnivore diet and eat a plant food, or you want to break your ketogenic diet and eat a bunch of carbs. If you go into that event with the scarcity mindset of still being terrified of what could happen to you from eating said food, it's probably gonna cause more of a negative reaction than the food itself, because our minds are so incredibly powerful. My brain is still trying to wake up, so I'm going to drink my Celsius, eat my fruit, go outside, do my journaling, my reading, go to the gym, do my meditation, do, you know, my full morning routine. If you watched the last video, you know what I'm talking about. But we have some more of this scarcity versus abundance mindset coming right up. So if you are not subscribed already to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscription button down in the corner here and the notification bell so you never miss another video from me ever again. This, my friends, is meal number 1. 2 sausage patties that we got from Whole Foods, and then 3 eggs with sriracha. So how do you determine whether you're in a scarcity or abundance mindset when it comes to your food? This takes a bit of self-reflection. Whenever you are ready to eat your meal, kind of pay attention to the thoughts in your head. People that have scarcity mindsets around their food typically think, how much can I eat for X amount of calories, or what is going to make me not fat or not bloated or not gain weight. And then they usually have some sort of fear around what they're eating, how much they're eating. The key with a scarcity mindset around food is thinking about what you don't want versus how you actually want the food to make you feel. In the past, I would have thought like, what can I eat today that is going to make me feel not fat? You're focusing on what you don't want. You don't want to gain weight. Somebody in an abundance mindset when it comes to their food may be thinking, what is gonna make me feel the best today? Focus on what you do want instead. How do you want the food to make you feel? For example, usually what I eat for breakfast is some sort of meat and then 2 eggs. But today, I was feeling extra hungry. It's a little bit later than what I would typically eat. So my options were eat my normal 2 eggs and breakfast sausage, or I could eat a little bit more, be a little bit more full and satisfied for the day since I'm more hungry. Somebody in a scarcity mindset would be scared to increase their food intake. That would be scared to add either an extra piece of sausage, an extra egg, a piece of toast, something like that, even though their body is clearly saying they need more. That is the main difference. So maybe start thinking while you're eating if you have thoughts of an abundance mindset or if you have thoughts of a scarcity mindset around food. This lighting is actually, okay, it's not too bad.
Hey guys.
I just got to Starbucks and ordered a venti passion iced tea, no sweetener. That's my favorite drink here when I'm not trying to get lit, trying to get caffeinated. Okay, so we've talked a little bit about scarcity versus abundance mindset around food. Obviously, you want to have more of an abundance mindset, but if you're in a scarcity mindset, how can you switch over from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset? One of the techniques that you want to do when switching into an abundance mindset, or really into any mindset or any goal that you are after, is to have more positive associations with what you want. In NLP, in neuro-linguistic programming, that is something that we call anchoring. I gave this example on my Instagram story this morning. I have a goal right now of wanting 1,000 subscribers. Sorry, let me change my verbiage, of achieving 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. In order to make this a little bit more realistic for me, I want to associate this goal with as many positive things as possible, because if you do that, you then make your goal stronger in your unconscious mind. I love working out, personally. Working out makes me feel strong, it makes me feel powerful, and it's like a meditative space for me. So while I'm working out, oh, what the heck's on my arm? While I'm working out, I will say my affirmations. I will say,
I have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube.
And now my goal of having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is anchored to every single time I work out. And intentionally anchoring things together like that is one of the most powerful NLP techniques that I coach my clients on. So if you can anchor the feeling of being abundant with your mindset around food and around your body, you're going to get where you want to go so much faster. People are starting to look at me. Is this what being a vlogger is like? Another way you can anchor is called touch point anchoring, or I don't know if it's really called that, but I call it touch point anchoring. I'm putting on my sunglasses right now. Touch point anchoring is basically recalling an experience that you had. So say you want more abundance mindset when it comes to your food and to your body. You want to feel more abundance in this area. So you're gonna recall a time where you felt abundance in this area before. You're gonna recall that experience as if you are looking through your own eyes, and you are going to touch point anchor that experience to your body. So now every time you go to press that same spot on your body, you have an anchor point that automatically stimulates that feeling of abundance. And it's actually called a resource anchor, but touch point anchoring, same thing. We actually do anchoring in our everyday lives all the time. Have you guys ever like smelt chocolate chip cookies before, and you just immediately, it's like you go back in time to your grandma's house when you're cooking with your grandma? That's anchoring. Your feelings of nostalgia are anchored to that smell. Now imagine if every time you needed to feel more abundant, you could just press a point on your body and remember what it feels like to be in abundance. This is the best way to change your mindset. It is the quickest way. It's like a cheat sheet to manifesting your goals. With my clients, I go into more advanced anchoring techniques, as well as how to use anchoring to reach your specific goals. It can be difficult when experimenting with it in the beginning. I'm sweating, I need to go inside. I hope you enjoyed that little NLP tip of the day. If you want to learn more, please leave a comment down below, and you can visit the links in the description description to get started. If you are really ready to elevate and become confident with your food and body, schedule a consult with me or learn more on my coaching page on my website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. I will be in Austin this week, so expect an Austin vlog coming on like Friday or something. But anyways, peace out. Have a great day.